Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed YouTube channel multiple playlists into your website using SociableKIT. And the website builder we're going to use is WordPress. So for today, we're going to use this SociableKIT or our SociableKIT channel, and we're going to use our playlist to put into our to this tutorial for today. So now we're going straight back to the tutorial. So first things first, we're going to the SociableKIT official page. So that is sociablekit.com, and from here you are gonna want to create your account. So in the top right screen, click this sign up button, and if you have already signed up already, you have done your account, you have created your account, you have registered, you're now going to click this login button, which we already done, and we're going to click it. And now we are now in the widget page. So this will be your recent widget that you have created, and from the top right of the screen, we are now going to the creation of widget page. So to go that, click this create widget button, and if you click this, it will redirect us to the creation of widget page. So now from here, we're going to use our widget type. So we're going to select our widget type. So in our case, it is YouTube playlist, and it is multiple playlists. And from here, it requires us to put our YouTube channel ID or name. So what is our YouTube channel ID or name? So going to YouTube channel, we are going to click this code. This is our ID. So the channel and the backslash after that is your code. So we're going to copy this, and from here we're going to paste this into here, and we're going to click next. And from here, this is the customization page of our widget. So here is now our SociableKIT playlist. As you can see here, you can check your playlist if it's the right playlist. You can always check it here too. And from here, you can see all the different kinds of playlists. And from here, you can also check it if it's the same playlist, so there are no errors or anything that might do anything. And if it's all good, we're now going straight to the customization and moderation tab. So from the left side of your screen, there are these different kinds of tabs: the basic tab, themes, profile, playlist, and so on. So now we are going to go through them one by one. So first, in the basic tab, you can see here you can change the name of your widget. So for example, you have to do something, you have to get back to this widget creation later. You can also always change the name of your widget, so you know what kind of widget you are working on before. So from here, SociableKIT YouTube channel, that is the name of our widget. And now to the domain or the website URL of the WordPress, we are going to put SociableKIT channel.com. So this is my website URL. So we're going to save changes, and that is all. So now we are now going to the themes tab. So from here you can select this any default theme that you like. So each theme has its own unique color theme. So in here, in the maganda theme, these are the color that it will apply to your feed. It will display here, and this is the look of your widget page or your widget with the maganda theme applied. So you can guys select which theme that you like, which theme fits most. So now I'm going to choose this Maliwala theme because I think this is what fits the SociableKIT business. The blue and the white theme, the black and everything. I think this fits the most, and it's also simple. So that being done, we're now going to the profile tab. So from here are the checkboxes, which different kind of features, so it can unshow or show your profile picture, the profile name, subscribe button, and so on. So anything that you like to change or hide, you can uncheck it here. So I'm going to keep it as it is. And now to the playlist tab, I can also change the spaces between the playlist, the default count. So for example, I want it to be only 6 playlists, and the column should only be 2. So from here, we're going to click this save changes. So it should only show the 6 playlists and in 2 columns. Oh, I accidentally put 1 column. Going to change it back to 2, and it should change back to 2 columns only, and it should also display only 6 playlists. So here it is. So now, in that being also done, I can also I almost forgot this check boxes that you want to show or unshow: the playlist title single line, the view playlist text if you want to unshow it or show it, and so on. So now in the playlist tab, you can also show your video cover, the video name, videos count, description, and so on. So you can also change it to the column count that you want. And now in the moderation tab, you can filter any keyword that you like in your playlist. And you can also approve posts if you want to. Now in the colors tab, so for example, you didn't find anything in the themes tab that fits your website or your company. So for example, any of this that fits your website, you can also always change it manually. So you can change the background color to any kind of color that you want or that you like, the font color also, the link color, the link hover color, and so on. So everything can be changed manually. So now in the fonts tab, you can change the font family. So for example, we now have the Century Gothic font family. So if I want to change that, we are going to put it to Arial font family. So I can also change the font size and the font size of the page title. So we're going to save changes, and it should change to Arial font family, which it did. So everything is good. Now in the text tab, we can change the video text. So the text that says posts, the text that says likes, the view on Facebook text, so you can also change that if you want. And now in the buttons tab, from here it's also like the colors tab. You can also manually change the color of your button. So the subscribe button, if you want it to be red and white or red and black and so on, you can also change it. Also the hover, you can also change the hover. And now from the CSS tab, you can also change or put your custom CSS that you like, your style that you already have in mind. You can also put it here, and that is all. So now we're going to put this in our WordPress website. So to do that, first we're going to the top right of our screen and click this embed on website button. So if you click this, it allows us to select what website builder we are going to embed it with. So in our case, it is WordPress, so we're going to click WordPress, and from here it will show us the step-by-step solution or instruction on how to embed this thing into your WordPress. So we're going to follow this. So first, we're going to copy the code, which is our JavaScript code, and go to our WordPress. So here it is. Here is our WordPress. I have already add a new page, and from this page I'm going to put a title called SociableKIT channel playlist. And from here we're going to add a block. So click this add block button and search for the custom HTML block. So from here we're going to paste, and that is all really. And you can also preview it if you want. Here it is. Here is our widget page, and we can now publish it so we can see fully what it really looks like in the WordPress website builder. So here it is. As you can see, everything that we change in the SociableKIT official page is applied in here. So you can also see that it works. So now you can see here the font family that we changed from Century Gothic to Arial. You can also see the column count, which is only 2 now instead of 3. And you can also see the display count of the playlist, which are 6 instead of displaying everything. So you can also click this to display every video in that playlist. You can go back to the playlist, and that's basically it. So I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you guys that this tutorial helped you guys, and that is all. And if you guys are interested in working with us or trying out our services, you can go to the official website and click the pricing tab. So here it is. So in here you can see our different kinds of subscription plans. We have basic free plan and its features, the starter kit plan and its features, and the business kit plan, and so on. So you can pay it through annually or manually. So if annually, you can say 50%. Monthly, you will have to pay the full price. So that is all, guys. So you can guys check out our uh, pricing page. You can see every pricing, the features, the subscription plans, and that is all. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope you guys learned something, and this video tutorial helped you guys. And please leave a like and subscribe down below in the channel, and comment if you have any feedback or questions that you want to ask us. You can always comment down in the subscription or the comment section down below. And that is all, guys. Thank you guys for listening, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.